Ladies and gentlemen, this ultimate floor scale fight covers 3 disciplines: productivity, precision, and uptime. 2 fighters made it to the final. On the left, we have the traditional floor scale called Classic, and on the right, you see the new Power Deck. Let's start the first discipline, productivity. Both fighters are in position, and go! The goal is easy. Fill the barrel with liquid as fast as possible. Oh, but look at this. He placed the barrel in the wrong position. He has to stop. Whereas Power Deck checks the terminal, sees, and now starts filling. Yes, Power Deck is much more efficient and wins the first battle 1-0 for Power Deck. Let's begin the second discipline, precision. The goal is to find out which of the scales delivers precision. The battle has started. Both participants start to load the scale with heavy weight sets. They start with weight sets of 20 kilograms and both have reached now 100 kilograms. They continue with 2 kilogram weights. Oh, but it seems that Classic is in trouble. The display can't show the correct change in weight. Power Deck shows the 2 kilogram weight, and what is he doing? Power Deck has a small 20 gram weight on top. And yes, the terminal shows the new result. Power Deck wins 2-0 for Power Deck. Now let's look at the final discipline, uptime. Both scales have a problem and aren't showing the correct weight. The goal is to find, as fast as possible, the source of the problem. Classic has no idea where the issue may be and begins looking everywhere for the problem, whereas Power Deck alerts the operator of the problem. He has detected a piece of plastic under the load cell. He just removes it, and the scale shows now the correct 500 kilograms. A clear result. Power Deck wins 3-0 over Classic. Power Deck floor scales provide real-time operator guidance, highest precision, faster weighing results, diagnostics to avoid downtime, and this in a rugged and reliable fashion at far lower maintenance costs.